Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue the story, chapter number 5, The Doll and the Rose. Yesterday we studied that it was Christmas. John went to the supermarket to buy Christmas presents for his son. And when he reached the supermarket, there was a big line, big queue, and he thought that a lot of time, a long time it will take here. And he also so sad that every year he has to buy many Christmas gifts. But he went to the supermarket. The prices of the gifts were so high, he was a little sad. Just then, he saw a little boy. He saw a little boy who was holding a doll. Who was holding a doll, but he had not enough money. So he was so sad. The little boy wanted to buy a gift for his sister. His sister liked the doll so much. John saw the little boy and told the little boy to count his money again. Then John put some money. John put some of his money in the boy's money. But the boy did not see this. Now the boy counted money and he had enough money to buy the doll. So he was so thankful to God. Boy thought that God had sent him the money. So he thanked God for the money. But in reality, God had not sent the money. John had secretly put some of his money in the boy's money. Now the boy looked at John and said that yesterday when he was going to sleep at night, he told God to give him enough money to buy the doll for his little sister. And his mother was also to go to live with God where the little sister is living. The boy requests God to give him money so that he will buy he would buy doll, and when mother goes, she will take the doll for his sister. And the boy also told John that that he had to buy white roses. He had to buy a white rose because her mother liked white roses. But he said that He did not demand much more money because it would be much more too much demanding from God. So he did not demand that he would also buy white rose. He only demanded from God that only doll. He would buy doll and requested God to give him money. The boy did not demand some more money to buy a white rose for his mother because it would be greed. God would think that the boy is so greedy, demanding for every members of his family. Boy told this to John. Just then, the old lady came, the old lady from whom John, little boy, had asked, doesn't he has enough money? The same old lady came again there, and now John left the shop. Now, buying his gifts, John went with his trolley. All his things he put in the trolley and went from there. On the way, now on the way, John's mind was totally different. He was not sad that he had to buy every year Christmas presents, so costly presents he had to buy. He had everything forgotten about long line. He was standing in long line, and all his sadness was now gone. His mind was totally different, totally changed. And he felt now so lucky, so happy that he had helped the little boy. Now, when John was returning home, on his way he remembered that 2 days ago, 2 days ago, a truck had hit a car. Drunken driver of the truck had hit a car, and there was a young lady and a little girl in the car. The young girl died on the spot, and the lady was seriously injured. She now was in coma, senseless, unconscious. She was in coma. Her condition was so serious, critical, and there was no hope of her recovery because she was in complete coma. Now, John thought that the 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 girl who died was the little boy's sister, and the lady who was in coma is John's is little boy's mother. How did he realize? How did he understood? Because 2 days later, after 2 days, in the newspaper, again the news was published. News was published that this young lady had died. This young lady also, who was in coma, died. And the picture was, and the picture of the lady was also in the newspaper. John recognized because little boy in the supermarket had shown John the picture in which John was laughing with his mother and sister. Now John was so sad that little boy has become now orphan. His mother and sister died, Then immediately John went to buy a bunch of white roses. He went to the mortuary. Mortuary means place where dead bodies are kept. Went to the mortuary where dead body of young lady was kept. Many people came there, paid their tribute, respect to the dead lady. She was lying in the coffin, in the box, and she was holding a beautiful white rose in her hand. She was holding a beautiful white rose in her hand. The boy had enough money. He had bought a doll for his sister, and also he had enough money. He had also bought a white rose for his mother. Oh, the same flower, white rose, was in young lady's hand, and also photo of the little boy, and the doll was placed. Also, a doll was on her chest. John also offered his bunch of roses and went away from there. He was so sad. He was weeping, crying so bitterly. John did not know the woman, but he felt that he had known the woman for a long time. This little boy had so strong love and affection for his mother and sister. Within seconds, the drunken driver had taken away everything from the little child. The little child was now left with nothing. Only the sweet smell of the white roses and the delicate doll and the memories of the doll was present in the air. So now this chapter completes, students. Thank you.